What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and we know that the launch date of the Galaxy S24 series is indeed coming near, but what we also know is that there is one more smartphone from the Samsung which is launching, which is the Samsung Galaxy A55, and it will be powered by the Samsung's in-house Exynos 1480 processor. Now it might be a bit of a disappointment for some of you, but here are more things to know about this smartphone. Now before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So rather than that, let's get started. So the very first renders for this smartphone do comes from the Android headlines, and this processor for the Exynos 1480 is said to be a 4nm processor to give you the high performance overall with this phone. But phone will also be coming with the base storage. Might be possible this time to be coming with a 256GB of onboard storage with 8GB of RAM, and not only that, the phone will be running on Android 14 out of the box with 4 years of major Android upgrades and one UI 6.1 out of the box. Now we also know that the Galaxy AI is also one major thing to look out, and Samsung might also come with a toned down version of the Galaxy AI in this smartphone as well. But overall, by the design, this phone does look similar towards the previous generation of Galaxy A54 5G smartphone, which we have also done a in-depth review as well. And the phone does have a noticeable bezels in the phone overall. The triple camera setup is said to be remain unchanged in this smartphone, and you will still be seeing similar camera options in this smartphone. Now apart from that, the display of this phone is said to be of 6.5 inch of Full HD Plus resolution, and it's an OLED display with 120Hz of high refresh rate, and the refresh rate can be adjustable as well. Now the phone will also be powered by the 25 watt of wired charging, which is not fast anyways now in 2024, but also the charger will not be included in the box. Now, what do you think about this smartphone for the Galaxy A55 5G? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.